Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Anchor and Heart Lacquer, Moonchild, and their matte top coat with flakies. I'll also be using Manitude X Lisa LaVida and Maniology Holy Hell. I'm starting off with IMK's Peeleze, and this is Moonchild. Oh, it's so pretty by Anchor and Heart. It's just a dusty, like aubergine purple. It's just, it's so pretty, and I am really excited about it. You guys know if it had moon anything in it in the title, the name, I had to have it. And when I went to go buy the regular matte top coat, I did a little shopping around because, you know, I was there. And I picked up this polish and the other polish I'm going to use from them in this video. And it's their matte top coat with flakies in it. Oh my. So here we go. We're getting our second, third coat. I don't know how many coats I did. Maybe, yeah, 3. And then I'm going to top it with the I&Ms out the door just to get it to dry down. Because, you know, I do all of my manicures like in stages, and, you know, I'll sit down and do part of it and then go off and do something. So I needed this to dry down while I thought about what I was doing next. Because I don't sit down always knowing. So here is a swatch photo of it glossy on its own. And here we go with that flaky top coat. 1111 matte top coat. And look how this top coat just like bling-tastic changes this. And I mean, it was pretty to begin with. But this, are you kidding? Oh my. Trying to make sure those aren't scooting off the edge. And there is a swatch photo of that. Manitude and Lisa LaVida. Here we go. Gonna get the blue film off this new plate. And I'll be using Maniology Holy Hell. And my cube stamper and a H. Le Corsador scraper. I'm gonna clean it off with some acetone real quick. And I don't know that this was the right color to use over this, but you know, here we are. I used it. This is what I did. And probably not my favorite, but at least I'm getting back into painting my natural nails. They are starting to grow just a little bit, and I'm able to paint my nails. Now, there's like a learning curve with that, because I've been painting just clear stuff on my nails for a month, and painting on nail tips I've gotten out of practice. And that also applies to the thought process of doing manicures. I'm just so excited to be painting my nails that I'm having trouble getting my color combos, because I've got all this stuff sitting in a bucket beside me and I want to use all of it. So I'm trying to grab from the bucket, and this grab probably wasn't, you know, really cohesive. I mean, it's showing up on there and everything, but it's just not perfect. And probably not my favorite. You won't see this as like one of my top 10 manicures of 2023, okay? Just saying. But I was happy to wear it. And I did wear it. Totally wore it. And I really do like these Manitude plates. I picked up several of them when I did my little haul. And they pick up great. I'm not having any issues with these plates. Very nicely made, good etched. Not that I've used every image on every single plate, but so far what I'm seeing is good stuff. Yes, indeed. There we go. Gonna get that little mat out of the way. Get that pinky nail. Needs some love. And I'm gonna go in with a piece of tape and get this excess up off of my skin a little bit. That way I don't have to float them in acetone. Alrighty. Let's get our cleanup brush out here. Do a little bit of dolling up. Nothing crazy going on here. Very, very neat mani. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Hands down a favorite for sure. And once that is dry, I'm going to top it with the I&Ms out the door again. It was sitting out on the desk. Yes, I was being lazy. I didn't want to turn around and get the other one. So here we go. I'm going to cap my free edge, and that'll do it. So here we go. Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.